LG K10. It's a 4.3 display. You can see this backside. This is some pattern look. Resolution is 720 into 1280 pixels. Primary is 13 megapixel and secondary camera is 8 megapixel. This is the notifications we can see here. This is an audio controller. Just opening the settings. It's a 1.5 GB RAM. Battery backup is 2300 mAh. Launched on January 2016. PPI pixel density is 277 pixel density. Production is Gorilla Glass 3. Android version, OS version is 5.1.1 Lollipop, and we can upgrade it up to 6.0. It's a quad-core processor, 1.2 GHz. Its internal memory is 16 GB, upgraded up to 32 GB. I just opening the. I just take a pic. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, it's okay. Now it's focus. Okay. Yes, I click this. It's a Gorilla Glass function. We don't have any scratches. It's a Gorilla Glass. I'll just take this picture. Let's see this. Just coming back. LG is good looking. Here we have this. We can take the selfies. It's very nice.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరబాబు లేదంటే ఫోన్లే సార్ మీరు ఏం ఆగి
Rవి